Hey there, my fantastic viewers. I've noticed that sometimes our video journey gets cut short too soon, but not to worry because I'm here to fix that. If you're ready to dive into the delicious world of slow-cooked beef short ribs and maybe share a few laughs along the way, you're in the right place. Your retention is like slow cooking a great dish. It takes time and care. Stick around and together we'll unlock the secrets of mouth-watering beef short ribs while having some fun along the way. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie in the kitchen, we've got something rib-salutely awesome in store for you. Let's make this journey together. And remember, we're all here to love, learn, laugh and whatever, and savour the experience. No gnat-sized brains here, just curious foodies with an attention span. Welcome aboard. Don't forget to subscribe to join our food-loving community, currently at 0 million, and never miss out on the flavourful adventures ahead. Now, let's get this culinary party started. Our journey begins with a tantalising twist. We're searing these ribs in a hot pan to create a crust of dreams. I believe this is called a Gaylord reaction, something to do with denaturing proteins. Sounds ungodly, but that's just the beginning. These ribs are about to embark on a low and slow adventure, way more adventurous than creating the first woman. That'll make them the talk of the town. You're ready for a taste adventure that'll have you saying, I can't believe I meet you. Stay with us, and you'll discover the secrets of mouth-watering, fall-off-the-bone perfection. We're breaking down the steps, sharing tips, and making sure you have all the rib-salute tools for success. It's not just about the food, it's about the journey. We'll meet your culinary needs and rib your appetite for knowledge. Makes no sense to me, by the way. So stick around, be part of the Flavour Fan Club, and let's make this cooking adventure unforgettable. Before we dive in, remember to subscribe and join our food-loving community. Let's get started. I've never had to pull my beef that hard before. That is beautiful, isn't it? Alright, let's get that into the slow cooker. Going over here. Going from here to here. Okay. Perfect. Now while this is still hot, let's get some vegetables in there. The celery, even up there, and the onions. looking at 3 hours, but we'll check along the way, and then go. That's it. Beautiful. This is where all the flavor is. This is called the dew. You can reduce the dew by 75%, and you can do this in a frying pan. It takes forever, or you can put the dew in the oven. That works too. Beautiful. Those look nice, actually, like that. Vegetables on the meat?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. It's really falling off the bone. It's beautiful.
You're going out to 1 million subscribers. Say hi. Which is
Hello,
my 0
million.
million subscribers.
Hello, million subscribers. This is Yum Yums. I lost half of my bed.
This is good, yeah? If we turn it around and you take a piece of meat off there, what does it look like when you're taking a piece of meat out of it? Make sure the camera can see it so you don't put your utensil in the way.
I actually showed it already.
Did you?
Yeah, it's really
It's
nice.
coming away easy.
Yeah.
Alright. Is it falling
Delicious.
off? It's staying on the bone, I think. But it is falling off. It's about ready to fall off the bone.
It's absolutely delicious.
Alright, let's enjoy it. See you later, guys. Bye bye. I am looking forward to trying this. Oh, that is tasty.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Try the potato. That was delicious. Carrots still have a little bit of bite. Surprisingly, the garlic really held up. Very delicate flavour. Onions have disappeared. Celery is hanging in there. Let me just put that roast potato there. Get in with a proper piece. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. God damn. Oh, it's so good. This is so good. Let me move you up here. Maybe I have a better picture. At least you can see me. This is like fall off the bone. Well, let me see. Yeah, it's falling off the bone. Alright? Well, kind of falling off the bone. In my opinion, it's perfectly cooked. If I got this in a restaurant, I'd be going back. If I got this in Hawksmoor, I'd be impressed. Sorry about the noises. Delicious. And it's easy enough to cook, actually. Believe it or not. It's not that complicated. Hey, if I could do it, right? You can do it. Yeah, it's brilliant. This used to be a cheap cut of meat, by the way, until the well-to-do decided they like it as well, and then the prices went up. Just like with lobsters, they were poor people food at one point. Some people will say, cut out the fat. Don't do that. Don't be that idiot. Cutting out fat. That's where the luscious mouthfeel comes from. Fat is flavour. Fat acts as a lubricant for the taste receptors on your tongue. If you're fat, exercise. Don't go away throwing away Mother Nature's gold. I think this little kind of rack, I'll include a photograph now maybe, this little rack of 3 ribs, it was like 170 francs delivered in Switzerland, probably about $150. I bought it because we're having a guest coming over, but there was a little bit of a mistake with the dates, and it was frozen when it arrived, and defrosting it would have taken a little bit of time. I ended up going with a selection of steaks instead for the barbecue. I'm glad I did, because when I looked at this thing in detail, even though it looks big enough for 4, there was only 3 ribs inside it. Big enough ribs, to be fair. Look at the size of this thing. I suppose is that the triangular end? And this is the flat end. I'll be honest with you, those vegetables, sorry, I have no napkin on here, they've been worked pretty hard. They've held together, the stronger ones have held together, but their flavour has gone into the sauce. So you're probably wondering, how come he's not eating the vegetables that he has there? Well, potatoes are a vegetable, if you don't mind me saying so. By the way, it's very hot upstairs. Today is like 30 degrees. It's a little bit too warm for my Irish ass. When on holidays, that temperature is grand. Like I was in Turkey recently, 45 degrees. But when you're trying to cook and shoot, no. Go sell crazy elsewhere. Remember the first time I started doing YouTube? I was the guy with the channel that did hands only. As my brother said, it looks like a watchmaker. He said something similar. But now you see my face. The first time I put my face on camera, it was a real kind of like, Jesus, what am I doing? Now I don't give a shite. Now I'm literally just talking to a camera in a basement. Jesus. I'm stuffed. I can't eat anymore. Brilliant. Do it. Thanks for watching to the end. Everything's below. Subscribe, like. I don't give a shite. I do this for fun. Bye bye. I hope you make it. Treat yourself. Bye.